Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem. Put the phone into safe mode to suspend third-party apps, because that tells you whether an app is causing the ads. While in normal mode, go to Settings and sort apps by install date and permission changes. Uninstall any unfamiliar or recently added apps. Make sure Google Play services and system updates are current. Outdated components can let adware bypass filters. Once done, collect app names you removed for later verification. Next, run a reputable anti-malware scan to detect known adware signatures and follow the app's removal guidance. Don't skip the full system scan. Manually check apps that request draw over or system, alert permissions, and revoke or uninstall them, because those are commonly abused for intrusive ads. Clear browser caches, disable site notifications, and reset browser settings to default to remove injected scripts. Make sure to reboot after removals. So to finish, reset your advertising ID and opt out of ad personalization so ad profiles are cleared. This reduces targeted pop-ups. Reinstall apps only from trusted developers and check permissions during setup to avoid reintroducing offending software. If unusual ads continue after all steps, back up essential data and perform a factory reset, then restore from a verified clean backup, because persistent adware sometimes hides in app data. Troubleshooting tip: if ads reappear after a restore, the backup likely contains the ad component. Skip it and reinstall apps manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.